of a digital revolution. Life is going digital. In the journey of time, there come a few life-changing movements. Jio is one such movement. Jio is a solemn commitment to enrich the life of every Indian. Jio's mission is to meet this exploding need for India and to enable digital life for a digital India. Jio is an entire ecosystem that will allow Indians to live digital life to the fullest. A future where every Indian can say without hesitation that with Jio, life is digital and life is beautiful. Good afternoon, India. Our 52 million Jio customers, our entire larger Jio family. On the 1st of September, I shared with you my belief that Jio is a game-changing network for India and for Indians. In 3 short months, you have proved me right. Jio has become the fastest growing technology company, not only in India, but in the history of the world. In the first 3 months since its birth, Jio has grown faster than Facebook, WhatsApp, or Skype. In 83 days, Jio has crossed 50 million customers across 28 states of India on its 4G LTE all-IP wireless broadband network. To each and every one of our customers, I want to say, Dhanyavad. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. This is your achievement. Thank you for your enthusiasm. Thank you for reinforcing our belief in India's digital appetite. Thank you for launching our nation on the path to the top 10 digital countries in the world. We are overwhelmed and truly humbled by your response. We look forward to millions more of our citizens joining the Jio movement. Ladies and gentlemen, Jio is a data-strong network built for the internet from the ground up. I am delighted to share that Jio customers are making most of the Jio Welcome offer we launched in September. On average, a Jio customer is using 25 times more data than the average Indian broadband user. This is truly unleashing the transformative potential of data. A Jio customer today is consuming data on par with, and in many cases, more than sophisticated users anywhere in the world. My fellow Indians, the main reason we launched the Jio Welcome offer was to use this period to get your valuable feedback and to iron out the deficiencies we jointly discover. It will enable digital transactions of all types, whether they be at mandis, small shops, restaurants, railway ticket counters, for bus and mass transit, and even for person-to-person money transfers. Starting 5th of December, every merchant can download the Jio Money merchant application. Customers use their Jio Money wallets to pay merchants from their bank accounts, and merchants use the Jio Money merchant application to accept these payments directly into their bank accounts. Using the Jio Money merchant application, Merchants can also make supplier payments, transfer money between his bank accounts, and use digital petty cash. JioMoney is focused on signing up over 10 million small merchant retailers in the coming weeks across 17,000 towns and the 4 lakh villages it operates in. With this, the JioMoney ecosystem will be a committed and enthusiastic partner for the smooth implementation of our Honorable Prime Minister's game-changing vision of creating a digitally enabled and strong Indian economy. Friends, in 3 short months, Jio and India have together crossed a number of important milestones and are well on our path to achieving global digital leadership. 2017 will be the 17th year of India's freedom. On this occasion, I humbly submit the Jio Happy New Year offer to the nation and wish that each and every one of you make the most of it. As always, we keenly look forward to your constructive feedback and to co-create the best network experience in the world. Thank you for trying Jio. Thank you for using Jio. Thank you for improving Jio. And finally, thank you for loving Jio. We hope that with Jio, your life is digital and your life is beautiful. I wish you a very good evening and a happy, prosperous and digital 2017. Thank you.